Outsource cold calling, pros and cons before you decide. AnyBiz. Outsourcing cold calling involves hiring an external service provider to contact potential customers. It starts with defining your needs, selecting a suitable provider, negotiating terms, integrating the team, and ongoing management. Clear communication and alignment are crucial throughout the process. Consider experience, technology, cultural fit, and compliance when choosing an outsourcing partner for cold calling. Experience in your industry, modern technology use, effective communication with your target market, and adherence to regulations are key factors to prioritize. Choose a reputable cold calling company by considering their track record, client testimonials, compliance with legal and industry regulations, technology infrastructure, and flexibility to scale services. Top companies like VoiceLogic, Science, Callbox, Flatworld Solutions, and Telecontact Resource Services offer tailored B2B cold calling services for various industries. Outsourcing cold calling brings cost savings, scalability, access to expertise, and allows internal staff to focus on core business activities. It's a strategic move that enhances efficiency and effectiveness in sales strategies. Outsourcing cold calling presents challenges like loss of control, cultural differences, dependency on external teams, and security concerns. AI presents a compelling alternative to human-operated cold calling due to its consistency, efficiency, rapid data analysis, and dynamic customization capabilities. AnyBiz leads the way in modern lead generation with its AI-driven platform, offering personalized and efficient outreach across multiple channels. Compared to traditional outsourcing, AnyBiz's AI agents ensure strategic alignment, operate continuously, optimize strategies in real time, personalize interactions, and streamline email campaigns, maximizing efficiency and effectiveness. Outsourcing cold calling has its pros and cons, but AI solutions like AnyBiz offer a promising alternative. With its advanced technology, AnyBiz tackles the limitations of traditional outsourcing while boosting efficiency and success in cold outreach. As you prepare to leave, remember to give us a thumbs up and hit subscribe to stay connected with our latest releases.